So today's video is a little different. I got some parts shipped to me from UK from Peter Covert Concepts, and if you like what you see and have a Volvo 850 or S70, the P80 chassis code, and you want what I got from him, email me at wisconsinmobiledetailing@gmail.com and I can get you in touch with him. This is an unboxing video, like I said. It's in my office, you can hear the cat, and I'm just going to show you what I got because I think it's pretty cool and unique for Volvos. Okay, it's still in the protective film that he sent it with, which I'm thankful for and it's cushioned, but you can see there it's like very shiny because it went overseas. Okay, let's start to peel this off and see what we got. There we go. Oh, look at how shiny and chrome that is. It's just beautiful. So here is the spark plug cover with it all removed. Pretty beautiful. So this comes with hardware too. It actually has the bolts and he has it all packaged up nice and protected. This is the fuel rail cover. So to add this on to it too. So yeah, some nice chromey looking bolts. Oh, beautiful fuel rail cover. And you can see here, like this will be over here, and how that'll all work nice and beautifully with the rip kit will go right over here, and it'll be all chrome and awesome. And I didn't think this was ever possible with the Volvo. So I'm very excited. So I hope you guys like this video. It's a little different, little something that we don't usually do, but I thought it was pretty cool and I wanted to share it with you, and I hope it's not awful because I'm just holding the camera back really far and hoping you can see my face. Okay, thanks, bye.